This is crazy. Everybody overthinks everything. It's crazy. It really is. People procrastinate, people overthink things, people really just don't know how to make a decision. And I want to help you guys get over that today because it's going to make your business fail if you do not start making decisions and taking action today. My name is Mike Miller. Welcome to my channel, the channel that can help you guys grow your lifestyle, build your brand, and overall just talk about everything digital marketing wise. Let's roll the intro. Overthinking, guys. Overthinking happens every single day, no matter who you are. It really does. And how do you get around it? How do you make that decision? It's simple. You just have to. There's no if, and but about it. You gotta focus your attention. And the way I do this and how I really get around it in my day-to-day, first thing when I get up in the morning, I write down my goals. I come upstairs, I have this little goal book. I write down every single one of my goals every single morning, so then I can start my day. And those goals can be pretty much what I want to accomplish in the day. And then once I actually get showered up, I eat and everything, I come look at my goals, and then I take action on the ones I need to get done. And I do it one at a time. You can't overthink things. You can't try to make a bigger picture out of something if you don't accomplish one step at a time to eventually it's going to cover your bigger picture. And that is what you need to focus on. That's how you need to accomplish it. And it's really simple and it's really easy, guys. I really need you guys to take action. I really need you guys to really just start focusing. Stop trying to be a perfectionist. If you try to perfect everything, you're going to fail. Your numbers are going to start dropping. And I really need you guys to just look at yourself in the mirror and be like, what am I doing? Why am I failing? Why am I not doing this? And it's because you're overthinking things. You're procrastinating. You're trying to, accomplish something that's a lot bigger than what you're trying to do right now, today. Today's work is a lot bigger and a lot different than the overall grand scheme and the long term of things. Now, you want to plan for the long term, but within the long term, there's hundreds, maybe thousands of different steps that you need to accomplish. And that is what you need to figure out for your business, or you're going to fail, guys. You truly are. There's a big difference between busy work and actually getting stuff done. There really is, okay? Busy work, I can be busy all day long, watching videos, trying to learn different things, writing things down, and then there's actually being busy and actually getting stuff done. The biggest thing about getting stuff done is taking action. Am I making the phone calls? Am I setting up appointments? Am I trying to, move forward with my business? Am I recording, my course? Am I recording, different videos? Am I recording things to help build up my brand? That is actually work that's going to help my long-term goal of achieving the exact big picture that I'm trying to achieve. And that is what you need to do for your business, guys. Stop overthinking things. Stop trying to be perfectionist and just get stuff done. Make a decision today to get stuff done and start writing down your goals and start hitting them one by one. Accomplish the thousands of little steps before you get to the big picture, guys. And that's how you're going to do it. That's how you're going to get over your overthinking problem. That's how you're going to get over being perfectionist. And you just got to make decisions. I know decisions can be very hard and very scary because you don't know which decision can be right. And I don't know either. And no one knows. No one knows decision. If I make this decision here, is it going to impact me here? Is it going to impact me here? Is it going to impact me here? I don't know. And you don't know either, but you just have to do it and you just have to keep moving forward. And that is what I want to preach today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you do smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell because there's some awesome content coming very shortly to this channel. My name is Mike once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.